Hi, this is Christopher from QuickMail, and today we're going to talk about groups. And we're going to cover three main points. One, what is a group? Two, how do I add prospects to a group? And three, what good are groups anyway? So let's go ahead and head to our groups page. So prospects and then groups. Now the first thing you'll notice is that on the left side here, we've got these battery icons. And the battery icons indicate the percentage of prospects who are available to start a new sequence. So we can see that the full battery icon for these two groups means that all of the prospects in that group are available to start a new sequence. This battery's a little drained, so that means a small percentage of the prospects in that group have already received an email from us, and this one's empty, meaning everyone has already been a part of a sequence. You can see the top one here doesn't quite look like a battery. That's simply because there are no prospects in that group. You can create a new group from the menu up here, choosing Create Prospect Group. So, we need to get some prospects into this group to be able to use it. So let's go ahead and do that. The first way of adding prospects to a group is from your prospect list. Simply select the prospects that you want to add to the group, go up to the Bulk Actions menu, and choose Assign to Group. So let's add these four to my April 2018 group. And there we go. You can now see that those prospects have been added to that group. The other way of adding prospects to a group is to do it when you're importing your prospects. So here I'll show you what that looks like. Let's go ahead and choose that sheet. And at the bottom here, we've got a checkbox, so we can move these prospects that we're importing into a group. Also, if you're importing prospects who already exist in your QuickMail account, but you'd like to move them to a new group, you can choose Update Existing Prospects. Now, I've got a group, I've got prospects in that group, so what do I do with them? Well, groups are great for scheduling. You can see here, I've set up these three schedules. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, QuickMail is going to pull 20 prospects from my New Contacts March 2018 group, and it will start them on the March 2018 sequence. So, when using schedules, you'll definitely need to have your prospects in groups so that QuickMail knows what pool to draw from when it's starting that sequence. Finally, there's one more thing you can do with groups. Let's say I want to get rid of a certain number of prospects in my account. Well, if I go up here and select Delete to delete this group, it will delete the prospects in that group as well. So, you need to be careful with it, but it is a good way of removing unneeded prospects. So, there we go. Groups in QuickMail.